Hello, it's Lingdom Sue here. I'm here to make a video. I hope you enjoy my package I just got in the mail. Here we have it. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. Thank you very much for watching my channel. That's right, big channel takeover. You're going to enjoy this. What we have here look like some sort of handcuff strap for your arms. Why would you ever need some sort of handcuff strap for your arms? I can't even imagine why you need this silky smooth nylon strap. Look at this all over your body. What the hell? Who even put this picture here? So gnarly. You can tie up your boyfriend or your girlfriend, whoever, if you transgender, or maybe you just a regular bisex, then you trying to tie up your lover. Here it is. I hope you enjoy the video and order one for yourself. Aliexpress. Goodbye. Come back very soon.